Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the Roswell Mini K87, a microphone quickly becoming a favorite among audio professionals. This isn't just any large diaphragm condenser. It's a meticulously engineered tool designed for absolute sonic purity and transparency in recordings. The Mini K87 truly excels with its neutral and transparent tonal response. It captures the authentic character of whatever you record, be it nuanced vocals, rich acoustic guitar, punchy drums, or intricate piano. It's built for studio professionals seeking a mic that doesn't impose artificial coloration, offering superior performance on voiceovers, podcasts, and instrument recordings with minimal EQ required. Underneath its robust steel body, the Mini K87 boasts precision engineering. Handcrafted in California, it features a 34mm K67 K87 style capsule and an ultra-thin, gold-plated diaphragm. Roswell Pro Audio incorporates audiophile-grade components and a transformerless circuit, delivering exceptionally low noise and distortion. Every unit is assembled and rigorously tested in-house, guaranteeing reliable, pristine performance. Its versatility is a major highlight. Whether tracking lead vocals, miking an acoustic guitar, setting up drum overheads, or producing crystal-clear podcasts, the Mini K87 adapts seamlessly. Its pressure gradient transducer captures a wide frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, making it an ideal XLR condenser microphone for a vast array of instruments, detailed voiceover work, and intimate acoustic sessions. Roswell Pro Audio ensures a complete professional studio solution by including essential accessories. The package features their exclusive cutaway shock mount, crucial for isolating the microphone from unwanted vibrations. Also included are a breathable microfleece mic cover and a rugged flight case, enhancing both the mix longevity and ease of transport. These thoughtful additions make it ready for any recording environment. Finally, the Mini K87 offers exceptional long-term value and consistency. Built in small batches, each microphone is individually hand-tuned to precisely set its neutral frequency response. Remarkably, the sensitivity of every unit is adjusted to within 0.5 dB of a gold master Mini K87. This level of mic-to-mic consistency is rarely found, even in microphones priced well above the $1,000 mark, making it an outstanding investment. It's no wonder thousands of professionals, from musicians to engineers, have adopted the Mini K87 as their go-to microphone, trusting its consistent, high-quality performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.